Hey guys, so in this tutorial we are going to build a simple snake वाला game. So मुझे काफ़ी पसंद है snake वाला game. I am sure आप सभी को भी काफ़ी nostalgia होगा इस game से. So I'm going to build this snake game using anti-gravity. This is going to be a web app. पिछले वाले वीडियो में हमने एक Flutter application बनाया था. So in this video I'm going to do the web app. So let's get started. So I've discussed my idea with Gemini. You can also use ChatGPT or Claude for that. So I have told Gemini to help me write the prompt for the basic snake game, and I want to write this prompt in Antigravity IDE to help build the web app of the game. So what Gemini has helped me with the prompt writing. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to copy paste this prompt. Let me do that. Copy paste this prompt in a document and let's see. So here project goal is to create a responsive retro snake web application. Core mechanism, movement, growth, game over. So this looks good to me. Okay, so let me do one thing. Let me copy paste this prompt and let's see what happens. So I'm going to go to anti-gravity and I'm going to paste my prompt right here. Okay, and select the agent model right here. So I'm going to keep Gemini 3 Pro high and let's go. देखते हैं ये क्या करता है. Let's see. So basically what will happen is it will create HTML, CSS and vanilla JS file. I have told explicitly not to use any kind of the frameworks right now. So yes, you can prompt the model and try again. Okay, so seems there is some error. Let me do retry. Okay, let's see what happens now. Okay, so now it has started, it is thinking, and I think we have to wait here for some time. Initiating the project. So it has started setting up the project. The only thing we have to keep in mind while vibe coding is we have to be present with the code. That is very, very important. I have mentioned this thing in my last video also, that we have to be present. Whatever the code that AI spits out, we have to double check it. This is now just a fun project, तो इसके लिए तो चलेगा, but when you are building a big applications which is connected to the back end and everything, we have to present with the code. एक line I want that you guys verify. Vibe coding is great when you don't have to remember, syntax and the mechanics, but you should know what is actually happening behind. Okay, so let's get back to our project, and this has given me an implementation plan. Okay, so you can verify if you want, but since this is a fun project, मैं ज़्यादा time नहीं spend करने वाली. Let's proceed and see what happens. So since this is a fun project, I'm not going to spend much of the time and I'll say proceed. Yeah, so what I was saying is be present with the code. I really like vibe coding because when I started coding back in 2006, since I started working, we used to write code literally in notepad. एक semicolon we had to check. Gradually सारे IDs आ गए, Eclipse आ गया, NetBeans आ गया. Now तो we have some great IDs and now vibe coding has taken over. This thing has really sparked my interest again to build something using vibe coding, and this is the reason why I am here right now. You must have seen my previous 10 साल पहले वाले भी videos आपने मेरे देखे होंगे. It is there. I love coding, but after the change in many roles, I have lost my touch. But since vibe coding has ignited the spark again, so I thought why not try my experience of vibe coding and share with everyone. Let's see what this has done. It is still working. It has done, I could see an HTML and CSS. Okay, JavaScript is also there. It is still working, so I guess we have to wait for a couple of more minutes. Okay, it has launched this game already. Cool. Okay, cool. So our game is ready. It says agent needs your input. I'll say confirm again. So I think this agent is itself checking this. ये खुद ही टेस्ट कर रहा है. So it is testing by itself. So it looks like it has tested this itself, and everything is done now, and it has also generated a walkthrough. So it is asking me to accept all the changes. Let me do that. So yes, it has generated a walkthrough with all the features that it has implemented: start game, movement, growth, whatever happens, pause, resume, responsiveness. It has also shown the game demo over here, so I think it has recorded the video, and the files are pretty simple: HTML, JavaScript, and CSS. So the script is also pretty readable. It has given every comment. Okay, before every function there is a comment. Detail may comment. So in detail it has done all the comments, and it looks pretty good to me. So let's test this game. So yes, this is our game. Okay, it says game over. I have to be pretty quick. Okay. So yes. Oh, game score 1. Okay, so this is working pretty good. The snaky speed is very fast. Oh, okay, so I guess this works pretty well for now. You can try out, make changes, and let me know if you want the prompt. I'm going to put the prompt in the description. So check it out, modify it as you want, and let me know what app should I build next. Thank you.